This is your daily dose of dogs.
I do be nosy, but not in a judgmental kind of way. Like, I don't care what you do, but I do want to know. I want to know about it.
Escucha las palabras de las brujas, los secretos escondidos en la noche. Los antiguos dioses invocamos ahora la obra de la magia oculta.
I think she's blessing me right now. What's wrong with you? You okay?
You can do it, Gus. I know it. We are working on catching treats. Okay? Walter, you show them how you catch. Ready? Nice. Gus, do you see that? Your turn. Eye contact. Watch. No.
Together, it makes that sweet, savory kind of combination.
One more time.
Love of that food roll into one. It looks phenomenal. It tastes great. It's delicious.
Your guests paid for their testimony.
I really like Eminem.
I prefer Skittles.
No, like the rapper.
Why would you eat the wrapper?
Can I stay with you?
What?
Can I stay with you, please?
Of course!
Really?
No.
Please! I don't want to go back there. You don't know what it's like to be considered a freak. Well, maybe you do, but that's why we gotta stick together. You gotta let me stay, please, please!
Okay!
He's a cute boy.
If anybody want a dog, just give me a seafood boil.
I'm feeling just a little bit frail. Haven't been eating that much, so I don't know if I look like scary thin or anything. Just put a little on your cheeks. Oh, just a little down your nose, okay.